Hurricane Ian's landfall could affect your flight plans in the coming days, even though it appears South Florida will be spared the worst of the storm. Contact 5 investigative reporter Dave Bowman spent this day at the Palm Beach International Airport. He's joining us live with more on some changes that are ahead. Dave?
And Shannon, travel here at Palm Beach International today could be described as normal, uneventful. If you look at some of the schedules, you'll find very few airline flights were canceled or delayed. But that could be about to change. Airlines report they're moving several planes in the state of Florida to hubs like Charlotte and Atlanta to protect their jetliners. At PBI, that may result in more flight cancellations or delays as the storm nears Florida. Some airlines are emailing and texting passengers they can change their flights without fees to get out ahead of the storm or wait until the storm passes. American Airlines passenger Janet Castle already extended her stay, but today she headed back to Seattle ahead of the storm.
I was going to leave last week.
And
the push alert was simply the expecting weather and the flight could be delayed or canceled or rescheduled.
Now, we talked to a travel agent who said it might be a good idea to take advantage of the airline's flexibility if you have a flight tomorrow or Wednesday to go ahead and rebook until after the storm. The reason for doing that is because if these flights get canceled and the seats are filling up fast for flights later in the week, people could find themselves waiting several days, perhaps, before they could get a flight out. Reporting live at Palm Beach International Airport, Dave Bowman, WPTV News Channel 5.